Welcome back to Lively English Content, your favorite channel for natural health and beauty tips. Today I'm going to share something very special, something that has been made for centuries and is still loved for its amazing health and beauty benefits. Yes, I'm talking about kanji, a traditional fermented drink that's totally organic, full of goodness, and especially important in winter season for glowing skin and good digestion. So if you want soft, radiant and naturally glowing skin this winter, then stay with me till the end because I'm going to share the exact simple method to make kanji at home using just a few ingredients and no chemicals at all. Kanji is an ancient Indian probiotic drink made for centuries in clay pots. It's known as a winter elixir, full of good bacteria that help your gut and skin glow from the inside. You can call it a natural detox drink. Let's start make it. Here are only three ingredients. First, you have to take a medium size of beetroot, and here is mustard seeds, and this is pink salt. These all ingredients are very beneficial for you. First of all, wash the beetroot properly, then peel it out. And now I am just cutting it out into small pieces, into thin pieces. It's up to you what kind of pieces you want to make. Here I'm using clay pot to make kanji. So first of all, I'm using a clay pot and I'm adding some of the pieces of beetroot. I'm making kanji with 2 glasses of water. I think that is sufficient. I am just taking some pieces of beetroot. Now I'm adding here half teaspoon mustard seeds and quarter teaspoon pink salt. Now I will add 2 glasses of water. Make sure the water is warm, not hot. Boiled water removes unwanted bacteria and helps in clean fermentation. Beetroot is a star ingredient. It gives a rich red color and is full of vitamins like A, C, and iron, which make your skin soft, pink, and glowing. Mix everything gently with a wooden spoon. Now cover the clay pot with the lid. Place the pot in room temperature, somewhere it can rest quietly. Let it ferment for about 1 day or 2 days. 1 day is passed, I left it for 1 day. During these days, you have to stir it lightly. Now kanji is ready. You have to strain it into a glass bottle and store it in the fridge. How to drink kanji? You drink half a glass every day before lunch. It tastes a little tangy and spicy, but that's how it's meant to be. This traditional fermented drink keeps your stomach clean, boosts your immunity, and keeps your skin fresh from within. Let's talk about how this magical drink helps your skin in winters. First is kanji cleanses your system from inside. When your gut is happy, your skin automatically becomes clear and acne-free. Beetroot is full of antioxidants that fight free radicals and reduce dullness. It gives your cheeks that natural pink glow. You don't need fancy equipment, just a few simple ingredients and a clay pot because the clay adds minerals and makes the fermentation process natural and healthy. The combination of beetroot and mustard seeds boosts blood circulation, which adds a healthy flush to your skin. It improves digestion and strengthens the immune system, both of which play a big role in keeping your skin youthful. Always use a clay pot or glass jar, never plastic or metal, because clay helps natural fermentation and adds minerals like calcium and magnesium that are great for your skin and bones. And remember, everything is not for everyone. If you can't digest it, you should avoid it. It's also rich in antioxidants which protect your skin cells from damage and make your face look fresh and youthful. So instead of running after expensive creams, give your body this simple natural treat and see the difference yourself. Now the question is that why kanji is perfect for winters? Winters make our skin dry, dull, and sometimes lifeless. The cold air steals our natural moisture, and many people face rough, flaky skin during this season. Make this drink once every week during the winter season, and you will see your skin start glowing without any makeup or expensive creams. And yes, if you like this natural beauty tip, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video and share with your friends who love organic skincare. Also check the description box. I have added some smart kitchen products from Amazon that can help you make kanji easily at home. Stay natural, stay healthy and keep glowing this winter. See you soon with another amazing home remedy. Bye for now.